Hello students, this is Shrujana madam and today we will be studying the 10th lesson of EVS, People Who Help Us. Students, in normal human life, every human individual depends on several people for his or her survival. People who help us in our daily work or in case of need, we call them our helpers. Helpers do different works at different places like hospitals, banks, shops, and help us in different ways. Let us see how people help each other at different places. Children, for our day-to-day work, we depend on people, and without their help, even if we can manage to do the work, but it won't be easy for us to complete it. In school, the principal takes the charge and responsibility of the whole school. Teacher takes care of the studies of students. Security guards take care of the security of the children. A medical in charge takes care of the health of the children. Children, in normal life, when we go to school, we see our principal, our teachers, security guards, different uncles and aunties who work as peons, and different clerks who do the official work for us. In different places and in different ways, they help us directly or indirectly in our studies. In a bank, a manager manages the bank, the cashier deposits and withdraws the money, an accountant checks the accounts. See children, when we go with our parents to bank for drawing or for depositing the money, we can see different people sitting at different places doing different work. But all of their works, they do it in order to help us to keep our money safe. Moving forward to in a restaurant, a manager runs a hotel or a restaurant. The chef cooks the food, the waiter takes your order and serves you food. So a manager, a chef and a waiter, all the three of them, they play their important role in the smooth running of restaurant or a hotel. In an office, a manager is in charge of the office. A clerk does the paperwork. A receptionist welcomes the people. A typist types the letters and papers. A peon does small jobs. So, for the smooth running of our office, children, a manager, a clerk, a receptionist, a typist, a peon, every one of them, they play their own individual roles. In a market, a chemist sells medicines. A greengrocer is a person who sells fruits and vegetables. A grocer is a person who sells pulses, wheat flour. Children, we also call wheat flour as atta. A stationer sells books, pencils and other stationery items. A plumber repairs our leaking pipes and tapes. A carpenter is the one who makes our furniture. He cuts and carves the wood to make them. A cobbler is the one who mends or repairs our shoes. He stitches them and makes them wearable for us. An electrician is a person who repairs electrical switches and sockets and other appliances. Children, for the daily work, we need the help of all of these people. If we are sick, we definitely need to go to a chemist shop and purchase medicine. Greengrocers and grocers, they supply us with all the food items which we eat every day. Stationer, he or she, whoever it might be, they sell us all the books and pencils which are needed for our study. A plumber, a carpenter and an electrician, they always help us and our parents for the smooth functioning of our household items, for repairing leaking pipes, for repairing broken furnitures or mending of broken electrical switches and sockets. Similarly, a cobbler is also an important person as he helps us by mending our shoes when they get broken. Similarly, moving forward to in a police station, the head of a police station is Station Head Officer or SHO. Then there are head constables and constables to maintain peace in the area. Children, for the safety of every human being, we need someone to guard and protect us. The police people help in the safety and peacekeeping of the local areas. There are many people who work and extend their help to us, like farmer. A farmer is a person who grows crops for us. He works in the fields throughout the year and sells his crops in the market. Children, whatever we eat, we get it due to agriculture or farming. If a farmer does not grow or produce crops, we have to go hungry. So, normally it is said that farmers are the backbone of a country. Soldier. A soldier is a person who works in the army. He protects the country and its citizens from enemies. It is very true, because if there is no one to protect us at the borders, the country will be destroyed due to enemy forces from other countries. So the soldiers, they stay awake 24/7 so that we can be safe and protected in our houses. Gardener. A gardener is the one who helps us grow plants in the garden. He prepares the ground, sows the seeds and water them to make them grow and bloom. Whenever we go to a pretty park or a garden, the beautiful flowers and trees, they make us happy. All the hard work to make that garden beautiful goes to the gardener. Moving forward to the milkman. A milkman is the one who delivers milk at our house every morning. Be it a cup of tea or a glass of Bonvita, without milk, we cannot make it possible. So, thanks to the milkman who delivers milk at our house every day. Fisherman. He is the one who goes out into the sea or river in his boat and catches fish in his net. He sells fish in the market and earns his living. The work of fishermen is to catch fish from the river sources, seas, and sell it in the market. Children, fish is normally consumed by non-vegetarian people, and you can get fish anywhere in or around a greengrocer's market. Servant. A servant is very useful in the house. He or she helps your mother in cooking food and cleaning the house. Children, we must always respect the servants because they are of very good help to us and our parents. We have learned about different people at different kinds of work they do. We should always respect everyone, no matter what profession they follow, and no one is big or small for the work he or she does. All do their best for us, so we must respect them. Moving forward to now I know. Different people do different kinds of work and help each other in many ways. A teacher teaches in a school. A soldier serves in the army and protects his country from the enemy. Children, it is rightly said, works are different. The level of effort we put in doing the work is different. But every work is important, be it the work of a teacher, a soldier, a greengrocer, servant or milkman. A greengrocer sells fruits and vegetables. A servant helps in all the household works. A milkman delivers milk every morning. Moving towards our exercise portion. First, now I can tell. Bit A. Tick the correct answer. The principal takes the charge of school, hospital, hotel. The correct answer is school, so we have put a tick over here. Dash brings our letters, policeman, fireman, postman. The correct answer is postman, so we put a tick here. The chemist sells medicines, books, sugar. The correct answer is medicine, so we have put a tick over here. Fill in the blanks using the words given below. A doctor treats a patient. A teacher teaches in a school. A fisherman catches fish. A farmer grows crops. A milkman delivers milk. Similarly, moving towards question C, match the following. First one, a cobbler repairs shoes. Washerman washes clothes. Gardener grows plants. Carpenter makes furniture. Tailor stitches clothes. Children, in our examination, we have to put numbers as it is shown in this exercise. Do not draw lines. Answer the following question. Bit 1. Who are helpers? People who help us in our daily work or in case of need are called our helpers. Question number 2. What does a soldier do? A soldier protects the country and its citizens from enemies. What does a fisherman do? The fisherman catches fish in his net and sells it in the market to earn his living. Question number 4. What does a grocer do? A grocer sells pulses, wheat flours, etc. Question number 5. What does a gardener do? A gardener grows plants in the garden. Children, all these exercise portions, you have to write it down in your book itself. Thank you.